Can I use my Torx kit to undo the anti-theft screws by Quadlock? Let's find out. So I bought one of these anti-theft screw set from Quadlock, 4 Quadlock products, which I've got a wireless charger on my motorbike, and obviously it's out there in the open and anyone with an Allen key can open it up. So all you need to do is remove the old one, find the size that matches the one you're removing, and replace it, and use the key they provided to put it back together. But what I'm curious about this wireless charger, so this is the actual motorbike one. So first it's got a screw just at the top holding the charging unit, sizing it up and find the correct size, and replacing it using the key that they provided. I use a stem mount, and it has actually 3 more screws that I need to replace. So there's 2 on the arm, these 2, and then another one that goes inside the stem, which I'll get to it later. So just finding the right size, which they provide 2 for this size, so that's perfect for what I need. Tying them up. And then that's the stem one, which is the longest one from the kit. And yep, it's a perfect kit for this, because you actually use the first 4 from the kit for this mount. Tighten it up. So a thief comes and with an Allen key, and oh no, it doesn't work. That's the best scenario. So yeah, this first 4 work. It's what I need for that kit. And yeah, that's the Torx kit. So I've got all sorts of sizes and shapes of bits. So just trying, because I thought it was just a Torx head. So I was like, nah, I've got that in the kit, so a thief can have that. But fortunately, it doesn't work. It's proprietary. So they created one specific for this. So great work, Quadlock. Cheers.